You are going to love the 2016 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, remote engine start, braking assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.